Hello everyone, we are bringing you to TeamLab Planets. You may want to go to Toyosu Market for food before or after the visit. We are making a separate video. Stay tuned. For us, we ate before we visited TeamLab Planets. And now we're walking to TeamLab. It was 10 minutes walk from Toyosu Market. There are 2 TeamLab campuses in Tokyo. The other one is in Odaiba. You have to buy the ticket from the ticket machine, and it is not cheap. There is a new session every half an hour. You have to take off your shoes and socks before you go into the campus. I'm walking up a waterfall. There is a sign after each installation, and this one is about the waterfall. We were walking through a room of deep and soft cushions. The so-called cushion is like a big bean bag or sandbag kind of thing. It was far more energy consuming than walking on the beach. It was like a lot of workout. Don't put your phone in the back pocket of your jeans. It is very likely that it will fall out when you walk, and you would never be able to find it again.
So hot here. I don't think coming here on a summer day will be good. It's so hot.
That's how it looks. This part wasn't very enjoyable. This cushion room is supposed to imitate a black hole that is very soft. Sorry, I don't get it.
The floor is soft. You should see the cushion. Oh my goodness.
Oh, I like the texture one. I don't like the plastic.
It's kind of scary here. It's like one of those haunted houses. The Niagara Falls or some other key tourist spot. Oh my god, it's fluffy. I'm now walking on fluffy carpet.
I actually wondered, is this how heaven looks? We have spent a lot of time in this room. It is so surreal and so pretty.
Oh my goodness.
The room was heated up with warm water. It looks so pretty and so nice. I know this is mean to say that, but I really worry that I will get some skin problem by walking through this pool of water. My feet felt softer after walking out of the room of water. Despite my mean comments, I have to say, this is actually very creative. Oh wow, where am I again? The balloons move, don't get smooshed. Did you see two girls? Yes, there were two girls. Anyway, we walked into the next installation. We forgot to download the app before we walk into the installations. Otherwise, we should be able to see a lot of special effects in our phone or when we take video. It should be much more fun. So we spent almost an hour in this place. How do you like it?
It's okay.
1 to 10.
This one maybe 7-ish for how much? $30 a person?
It's pretty fun, but overpriced. After TeamLab, we took the train and headed to Odaba, Toyota City, Gundam Base. There's also an outlet mall and the Rainbow Bridge. Don't miss them. Subscribe to our channel and we have many more to show you. See you next time. Bye.